Stop saying maybe, because it makes you sound unsure. You can express uncertainty without sounding hesitant. I'll show you how to replace maybe with natural, confident alternatives that sound more fluent and native. Before we begin, if you want to improve your English every single day, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another lesson. I'm your daily English teacher, and today we're learning how to stop saying maybe and what to say instead. Maybe is a safe word. It's polite, it's neutral, but it can sound unsure, maybe I'll go, uncommitted, maybe I'll think about it, or even uninterested, maybe later. In professional or confident speech, maybe often feels too weak, so instead of removing it completely, we'll learn smarter alternatives. 1. It's possible. Maybe she come, it's possible she come. This sounds more formal and natural in academic or IELTS contexts. 2. There's a chance. Maybe we'll win, there's a chance we'll win. Used when the situation is uncertain, but hopeful. 3. It could happen. Maybe it'll rain, it could happen. Neutral, realistic, perfect for conversations. 4. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll join, I'll think about it. Sounds polite, confident, and mature. 5. Let me get back to you. Maybe I'll do it later, let me get back to you. Professional tone, great for emails, work meetings, or decisions. 6. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'm not sure yet, direct but honest. Sounds clear and responsible. 7. Hopefully. Maybe we'll see, hopefully, we'll see. Sounds positive and optimistic. 8. With any luck. Maybe it'll work, with any luck, it'll work. Very natural and conversational, used a lot by native speakers. 9. If all goes well. Maybe they'll finish, if all goes well, they'll finish, used for plans or expectations. 10. I'll see what I can do. Maybe I can help, I'll see what I can do. Shows initiative and confidence. 11. It depends. Maybe I'll go, it depends, simple, flexible, but strong. 12. I'll do my best. Maybe I'll try, I'll do my best. Motivating, proactive tone, great for interviews or teamwork. 'Let's test you. Which one sounds most confident? A maybe I'll help. B I'll see what I can do. C maybe later. D I'm not sure. Comment your answer below and tell me which one you use most often. Correct answer, B. I'll see what I can do. It's confident, natural, and sounds proactive. Let's quickly recap the 12 ways to say maybe without sounding weak. It's possible. There's a chance. It could happen. I'll think about it. Let me get back to you. I'm not sure yet. Hopefully, with any luck. If all goes well, I'll see what I can do. It depends. I'll do my best. Repeat after me. Slow pronunciation, plus practice drill segment for each. If today's lesson helped you sound more natural in English, like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, you don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound real. This is your daily English teacher, and I'll see you in tomorrow's class.